I am not a financial advisor. These videos are all meant for educational purposes only. All Complete Trader Academy videos are my personal opinion and perspective. Trading carries a high level of risk, and all results are your own responsibility. Please always demo first. Hey everybody, welcome back to CTA Review. Today is July 18, Thursday, 2024. Hope you had a good day today. So, market did decide to retrace back up to this 50% of the imbalance that we talked about yesterday. Gotta watch yesterday's video so this will make sense. Bullish or bearish, I expect it to do that at the least, and then we did continue another leg down. They did come for that obvious liquidity right there, pretty obvious. And now let's move forward. Give me 1 second though. All right, so as if you remember me a couple days ago mentioning, I think I forgot to even say it today, that I had a doctor's appointment today, going over blood work and stuff like that, and didn't get no results yet, but did all the blood work. And I got family in town, so I had to do the barber thing instead of doing it tomorrow. I had to do it today. I swear to God, every time fucking family comes into town to visit, not just me, but they're just in town. The market is always moving crazy. I swear to God, dude, like it doesn't stop. But anyways, so real quick, from the beginning, the trade from yesterday, and I took this live in the video yesterday. What was my intention? Well, obviously was the minimum was wiping this liquidity and then getting to this 50% because this would be used as a nice resistance. So I held it, and sure enough, woke up and the price was right here. So beautiful, 9 o'clock. This was all I wanted, and some. Look how the price opened up, gapped up, came down, missed the opening gap, popped up again, already hit this liquidity here, and the 50% came back down 2 drives to wipe out that liquidity and get into the gap. Now the gap is sort of sealed. We would like some type of body on it though. So this shows you that the price is going to probably come down. Now, here's the crazy thing. When you look at this price action, and at the time I'm looking at this, I'm taking the profit because I'm not trying to mess around and find out. This is great profit for something that happened while I was sleeping, and I had to be responsible, and we're possibly bearish, right? So, but coming up here was a minimum for me. So sure enough, it panned out. We're on the overbought. We are about to take out this liquidity, and I do the screenshot. Now, when we're here, I said, well, this is a great place to sell. So, but I only have a limited time today. I could only trade till about 10 o'clock. So I knew I had to leave and do my thing. So I was looking for like a couple good trades. Didn't know it was going to be this beautiful of a day. But when you look at this price action, it looks like a shakeout day. You could see the speaker forming already. Like you right here, you could see this. You see, this is why I was mentioning this is a minimum target. But look at the lows here, and then look at the highs here. Look at this. I don't have to draw it. You can see that. Oh, never mind. See that? Down, up and down. See the speaker right there? So if you continue it out, what do you get? You get this high, and then this becomes this takes this out very slightly. And then what are you missing from the bottom side? The bottom part of the speaker to be formed or to be completed. So anyways, that being the case, this is this trade. Then the next trade. Now I'm up here. Okay, so it's 9:32. I'm already in the trade. I already know that we just took out that high right there, right? And I'm looking for a sell here. So because of what I just explained about this trumpet, right? Or the speaker, whatever you want to call it. So as you see here, the price gets up here. All right, we get this little push above right here. This is around a little bit right after 9 o'clock. And the 850 to 910 macro is in play. And sure enough, right here, we get this wick that pushes up. It hits right into this wick right here, and doesn't take out these bodies right here, which is what I'm trying to say is this, but I'm not trying to make this video forever. But damn. So I'll just show it to you. So if you look closely here, it's a 1 minute, right? Yeah. So you gotta look real close. So just so I've done this and you can see it. This is what I was looking at. This wick right here pops up. Look at this body. Look at the bodies right here. Just about 50%. Then it breaks down. We actually take out some candles here. So it is, these are down candles. So this is a break on a 1 minute structure technically, right? So I look at it like that. And then this thing pops up. Look what time it is. This is 9:18. Well, it's already kicked in, right? It's already kicked in. But we don't break this high. So I'm looking at this 50% of this wick as the price is holding price down. Sure enough, I get in. So beautiful trade, and I'm already in it. Then the 9:30 opens up. So when I take this trade, where am I going? Well, I'm looking at this range. Remember, I only have time for a couple trades. So I wish I held this all the way down. And I did understand that we could possibly hit this daily open, the midnight open, plus this liquidity there, right? Like you see that, right? But I could only do this. I could only go this far. So my goal was, so once we do tap over this high right here, and I was like, we didn't close above it, and we end up, I want to take this trade to about 50% of this range, right? And that's kind of like what I'm doing here. So, and if you look here on the 15-minute, this imbalance right here, and there's another one here. I didn't mark this one, but because I was just literally trying to focus. I wasn't even trying to mark the damn chart. But beautiful fucking trade. Ended up coming all the way down, as you know. So after this trade, then you see here, price does play around right here. And I do take this trade right here because at the time it was sitting here. And I do understand that there's liquidity sitting here. I get all of this, right? I do understand that it's a possible speaker, but I didn't know if they wanted to ram up one more time because of these equal highs right here. And did they want to come up in here, right? So I didn't know that, obviously, because as you see here, this, that right there, this high right here, see, we don't hit that. And that high right there looks pretty juicy. So I was like, oh, maybe they'll come up here. So I take this buy. Again, I'm looking for a second trade only. I'm trying to be done for the day. And I've already, and also having that great trade that I just showed you from yesterday evening, it obviously is going to make me a lot more slower, lazier, and not worried about the chart. But anyway, so the price shoots down. I'm like, all right, cool. I understand where you're going. So price ends up coming down here. Take a look. This comes over here, bounces off of that candle. All right, this down candle right here. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this short. I need to go because I have to go meet my family. Where are we? Up here. So that's this candle right there. This is that 6:13 a.m. candle. So this level right here hits it pretty nicely, perfectly, and bounces up. I said, okay, this might be the buy here. So what does it do? It comes down one more time. All right. And now it's 9:54. I've only got a very short amount of time left. And sure enough, this does not take out that low. So I'm like, okay, this is going to be build liquidity. Let's take this trade. Sure enough, I take this trade right here, and fucking amazing. I take this trade right here, and we're using the opening of the day right there. Tags in. All right, as soon as it closes, I'm in. And then where am I taking it? I'm taking it back up to 50% of this range. Now, pretty much I want to get as much as I can to squeeze people out from here who sold. And then I ended up getting out here. This is 10:10. I need to be done. And sure enough, beautiful last 24 hours I've had without even trading the whole day. And this is where I left it at, right? So I left it at this, and I was like, okay, look at that. You can see more wicks again. In general speaking, it was a pretend support, but I looked at it as that as well. Like I saw it as a support, right? So coming back up to the middle of the range, to the mean, reversion of the mean is typical, right? To wipe out some sellers. This is just a lower high, but I wish I pushed sell here because that was a great spot for it to keep going. And as you see here, obviously, let me make this to a 5-minute. As you see here, look at that, dude. I was there, bro. I was like, yo, bro, just push sell and go. But I was like, I knew I couldn't look at the trade. I couldn't manage it. There's no way I could. It was just by myself, so I didn't deal with it. So what did it do? Look what we had, dude. man, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Jesus Christ. I mean, like, dude, this day couldn't have got any more sexier, man. Oh my God, bro. Like, this is amazing. You know how much money is offered in these simple ass moves? Look, when we break that pool, what do? We break right through it. All right. And then what do? We retrace back up, bro, like perfect resistance, bro. Like, that's crazy. Like, I can't believe it was that easy, man. Um, and well, I'm gonna leave that for now. So, anyways, then what does it do? Pushes right away. I was like, bro, I was sitting in the doctor's office. This is like when I got a little settled, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me, man. Like, and then it shot for another leg. What's funny is while I was in the doctor's office, I did catch this move back up on the phone. So right here we had the 3 drives, 1, 2, 3, and then look on the 5 minute, it was super fucking clean. But if you look at this divergence right here, you get the higher lows right there on the divergence, and then here you had divergence here. And actually, wasn't there a divergence when I caught the yeah, I forgot to mention this. So when there was a divergence right here, nice, beautiful on the 1 minute. Look at that, bro. Like man, that's just beautiful. And this is how I got that trade right there. So go back to a 5 minute. And real quick, you're gonna see here that when I took this trade up to here just to get into this imbalance and break this clean break. Look at this. So this is a mile in itself. I talk about it on the YouTube this YouTube channel all the time. It's basically pretty much getting out all the push out artists, right? So it's like, dude, that's how you flow, dude. Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Holy shit. 8 beautiful moves. And then what else was I gonna say? Obviously you can see where we really tapped into. We tapped into this imbalance right here when we came back up. And then you have, obviously, this last up candle right there. See how we tapped that? And then we have this candle right here, holding price right there. See that? Plus the imbalance. You should be marking it while the price is printing. Man, I mean, it couldn't. I'm just letting you know, man. This couldn't have got any easier, bro. Like, real talk. Look how easy this is. This is like what we all dream about every day. Like, to have price action like this. At least that's what I feel like. But and then we shift here. So now we have a double bottom right here. On the 4 hour, you can see, is this going to be held? We just wiped this liquidity out, but we didn't take that out. So is the bottom side done? I don't think so. I don't know. But on the other hand, they could leave this pool for a while. But we are looking for a 10%, at least an 8 to 10% retracement of correction. If you take a look here right now, we're literally about not even 6%. So about 8% is fair. And look where 8% is right here. So, I don't know. And this is screaming, come to me. So, I'm expecting a little bit of play action. We'll probably pop up just a little bit, or just maybe roll over and sweep this and get into here and then be done for the bottom side. If it doesn't just push up from now. Obviously, but like, as you can see with this correction here, we had well, this was about 8% too, wasn't it? Yeah, almost, yeah, 8.5%. This pullback right here. So I mean, that's healthy. I mean, this is fine. It's no big deal. But that's what we're looking for, and we did get that. But and you can see that 4 standard deviation here is sitting right here, and it's literally sitting in the middle. And I might as well mark this now, because it is very, very possible that we do come for it. Oh, and we tapped it. How about that? We did tap it too. Shit, I didn't even notice that. Where are you? Slow today, dude. All right, so that's that daily, and then we have this opening range gap that's completely empty. That's what I got that still there for. But yeah, man, sweeping that would make sense, and then coming to right here, and then bouncing off of this. We'll see. I don't know, but it's in line between the 3.5 and 4 right here, so it makes perfect sense. But I'm not trying to beat a dead horse. Let's see, 15 minutes is good. I explained pretty much this, but man, beautiful, man. What did I tell y'all yesterday? And if you thought I was gonna lose, or if you were hoping I was gonna lose, shame on you. I'm a motherfucking monster. I ain't gonna lose, right? Because these shots that you're seeing me take, or that we talk about, it's like you got to be involved in the game. Scared money don't make money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you literally have to understand that losing is a part of the game. I took a loss in front of you, like, no problem yesterday, right? Like, that's how it has to. Your mindset has to be set like that. Oh, look at this nice divergence right there. I didn't even notice that. The 5-minute be clean, people. Look at this. Look at the overbought right here. Overbought right here. Beautiful. Look at this. Shoots all the way down. Well, it does stop right here. But then you get the 3 drives, which is second drive. And then this third drive has 3 drives. But in general, man, like, if you have experience reading this RSI, like, some people think like, oh, you got an RSI on your chart. Like, bruh, you have no idea how to use it. This shit is powerful. Like, look, stop it. Look at this divergence right here. Look at this point. Look at the points right here. The point 760 all the way to, bro, this was like 200-point move all by itself, bro. I was like pissed off a little bit at the doctor. I was like, bro, you're missing a phenomenal day, and I capitalized it. I'm still happy about that, but man, wow. And then also we had this nice divergence here. We had lower highs here with S&P, pushed the price down, and then here was another confirmation in a short term. You see we got lower highs here with NAS and higher highs with S&P and Dow. So, man, I mean, this day, wow, bro, I'm just amazed. It's not that it's getting easier. It's just like you already know what's possible to happen, and I really didn't expect the flow to be that easy on a Thursday. So Thursdays you'll expect either it'll be a reversal day, or it will be a continuation day, right? Wednesday is very similar too, but Wednesday, obviously, as you see, it was a continuation day. Go back to it real quick so I can be done. As you see, Wednesday was a nice continuation day, and then Thursday was also a continuation here, right? See that? So Thursday could have been a reversal day, but at the same time, you do have the 8% pullback that I'm talking about, or some type of pullback, and the liquidity here, and we're already down here, and it fucking makes sense, right? But what was I gonna say? So, but yeah, nice continuation forward. Now tomorrow's Friday, so this is a lot of movement, man. So I don't expect Friday to do much. I think it'll just kind of like when I was on vacation. This day right here, where was that? Wow, I can't even remember the day. Let me look on the 1 hour here. Wasn't it right there when I went to vacation? No, it was here. Oh shit! See when we had this movement right here? We came down, and then we kind of just like messed around, and then Monday we shot down and then came back up. I'm expecting something like this now, right? If it doesn't just shoot the hell up and try to wipe out a lot of that sellers and have this week look a little bit, less strong, bearish, right? So, but I don't know. Tomorrow is going to be really iffy, and I would stay away from it, to be honest with you. I think I went over a dollar real quick, and dollar was shooting up as well. So looks like dollar woke up, took out that pool, and then and big pullback with Dow, and I'm assuming S&P as well, right? Yeah. So S&P came back as well. This looks like good support here. I'm still bullish. But as far as short term goes, they're gonna maybe miss around a little bit with some of these lows, like ranging out and then pushing back up. So, all right, I think there's nothing else I need to say. So, you guys, oh, let me see. And then gapped up, came all the way down for, see how they came to that low? They finally hit that low I was talking, I mean, this gap I was talking about, they sealed it. See that? See how they sealed it? So gapped up, came down, and now they're pushing up. I think they're all ready to rebound back up. That's my opinion. I think they are. They've already swept liquidity on the bottom side. So I don't really see what's the purpose here. I don't see this as a break. The market's too strong. I just don't see it. So, all right, you guys take care and God bless.